Did you know that Snoop Dogg has a cookbook? It is one of our absolute family favorites. Let me show you what's in here. If you are a fan of Southern cooking, this is the absolute place to be. Snoop Dogg gives you an overview of his pantry, some of his favorite foods and staples that he has. But that's not the best part. The best part is some of the recipes in here. And if you want a variety of good home Southern cooking, this is the place to be. You've got everything in here, from corn muffins, cinnamon rolls. One of our favorites is the biscuits and gravy in here. Bacon, even a billionaire's bacon, because millionaire's bacon is not good enough for Snoop Dogg. Then, of course, he interjects lots of his fun favorite things, but then you can take on Caesar. This absolute best Caesar dressing I have ever had, homemade recipe in here, one of our favorites. And then you can continue to go through with fried bologna sandwiches, catfish. I'm just going to flip through the rest of this here. There are so many awesome things, and there's a lot of recipes in here we've yet to make. But if you are looking for some good Southern cooking, chicken and waffles, all sorts of things, ribs, and then some of the best desserts, including banana pudding, this is the cookbook for you. We have an affiliate link down in the description below. Bring your kitchen work to the next best level. Snoop Dogg, from crook to cook.